Now you've done it. Come here. Where could he be? Gotcha!
Dad,
Yeah?
I know that you and Mom think that your job is super important, and it is and everything, but I don't know. I miss having you around.
Yeah. I miss being around. Son, someday this will make sense, but being a reporter, it's a big responsibility. It's...
The Fourth Estate, yeah. Mom gave me the whole spiel. It sounds like fake news to me.
Huh.
I mean, you've been gone for 2 weeks. For what? Just to find out why ants are going crazy?
Oh, it's really fascinating. They actually...
Yeah, I'm sure. Couldn't you... I don't know, look it up on the internet?
If I didn't have to go, I wouldn't. You need to believe me, son, but jobs, especially mine, involve some sacrifice.
Come on, it's not like you're putting your life on the line. You're just putting your name on a byline.
You'd be surprised.
But you'll be here tomorrow, right?
For your game? Or your birthday?
I thought maybe you forgot.
Jonathan, you are the most important thing that has ever happened to me. I'll never forget about you.
Wow! Look at that one!
Yeah, that's... You know what, kid? I think your mom just got back. You better wash up for dinner.
Where are you going?
I just realized I have a quick errand to run. Tell your mom I'll be back later.
Sure.
And Jonathan, happy birthday.
Thanks, Dad.